Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super delicious and easy for you. Sausage and tomatoes over rice. This recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights when you just want something quick, flavoring, and satisfying. You don't need much for this recipe. Here I got 1 can of diced tomatoes, some Dijon sausage, 1 can of corn, 1 zucchini, 1 squash. And just like that, our quick and easy sausage and tomatoes over rice is ready. Thank you so much for joining me today and experiencing this delightful recipe. It was so quick and easy, right? If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for a more delicious recipe like this one. Also, if you decide to try this recipe at home, take a picture and tag me. I would love to see your creation. Remember, cooking be fun and hassle-free, even on your busiest days. So until next time, keep experiencing the kitchen and enjoy your meal. Peace.